Making someone a board owner on Monday.com involves assigning them full administrative rights for a specific board. Here's how you can do it. Log into Monday.com. Open your web browser, go to Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the board. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the board for which you want to change ownership. Access board settings. Click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the board. Open the Board Members section. Select Board Settings or Manage Board from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Board Members or a similar option where you can see the list of current board members. Change board ownership. Find the person you want to make a board owner. Click on their current role or the drop-down next to their name. Select owner from the available roles. Confirm the change. Confirm the change if prompted. The selected person will now have full ownership rights, including the ability to manage board settings and permissions. Verify ownership. Check the list to ensure the role change has been applied. The new board owner should now have the appropriate permissions.